All right, guys. Crude oil, September 25th, Sunday. Weekly chart, still bearish. Price is bearish. It finally got below this support here. Couldn't get below that support for like 5 weeks. Dipped below it, came all the way back up, killing everybody, and then gave it up and finally got through this level of support decisively. Histogram coming down to squeeze still in effect for the weekly squeeze, firing short. The RSI is in bearish territory, obviously. MACD coming down. So this is a greatly, wonderfully bearish chart. The daily, what am I doing? Daily price is bearish below the 21. The daily 21 got above here, faked everybody out. A lot of bulls thought, yeah, that's it. I didn't buy it, although I did trade it, but I took gains. And then I'm primarily trading to the short side, even though I do trade long. That's a counter trend trade. Structure, where we at? Yeah, I don't know so much about this structure, but on the daily, you've got a slightly different, another 1-2. Shows where potential downside targets are. The daily squeeze, of course, been fired to the short side, so the histogram's still coming down. It's the gift that keeps giving to the short side. RSI bearish, MACD coiling again. What's it going to do? I don't know, but the daily is bearish. The 4-hour squeeze just fired to the short side right here. You can see that. So the histogram's coming down. Look at this wonderful short right here. Boom. A couple of different things. I won't talk too much about the fibs and where we're at, but just technically speaking, this has come down. It's a little bit oversold here, so it bounced, and it is bouncing, and there are some fibs here. So, yeah, I hope and look to this to be a weak bounce, just because everything I just showed you, the weekly, the daily, even the 4-hour, this is a fresh squeeze. So, and this is a powerful drop. So, let's get a weak bounce. It doesn't come back up above 81.20. That would be great, and then it just continues down to this fib. It's below 72. So that's the 4-hour. And then the 1-hour, just if you want to see a little bit more of what it looks like, who cares? It's oversold. So bounces in progress. What I'm really hoping and looking for is to stay short and that the price doesn't even get up into here. Maybe it doesn't, the bottom of this area would be the ideal place for a bounce to terminate. And of course, I'm just making up stuff here because that's what I do. So what level is that? That would be the 80.35. That would be so fantastic if this bounce doesn't even, gets terminated somewhere up in here and then keeps coming. So that's what I want to see. Who cares what I want? The ideal fib for me is below 72. And then, then that bounce, I think I'm going to take it off, or maybe take off half if this gets seen. All right, above 81.20, I'm starting to peel it off. Down here, I'm starting to peel it off. So that's what I'm doing. All right. That's it. Good luck.